In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Genspark AI Mobile for script writing. To get started, open the Genspark AI Mobile app on your phone. Once you're on the home dashboard, tap the AI chat or Spark bar to enter the chat interface. At the top of the screen, you'll see the model drop-down menu. Go ahead and tap that, then choose either Claude 3.5 Sonnet or GPT 4o. These models are especially useful for script writing because they tend to handle creative pacing well, produce more natural sounding dialogue, and follow formatting instructions more reliably. Choosing the right model first helps set the tone for everything that comes next. After that, instead of asking the AI to write a full script right away, start by giving it an outlining prompt. This is an important step because it helps the AI create a clear structural skeleton before expanding into full writing. In practice, that means your script is less likely to wander, lose focus, or become repetitive. A solid outline gives you a roadmap, which makes the final script much easier to shape and refine. Once your outlining prompt is ready, submit it and let the AI begin generating. When the outline appears in the mobile view, take a moment to read through it carefully. Don't rush this part. Check whether the flow makes sense, whether the sections are in the right order, and whether the overall direction matches the kind of script you want to create. If anything needs adjusting, type your modifications directly into the chat. You can refine the structure, clarify the tone, or reshape specific parts before moving forward. This back and forth is one of the biggest advantages of using mobile AI for script writing, because you can quickly improve the outline right from your phone. The better your structure is at this stage, the easier it will be to turn it into a polished, effective script later.